Are you looking for a simple way to earn steady, residual income every month while helping people save money and get better health care? With Wealth Transfer Alliance, it's never been easier. W.T.A is teamed up with a national marketing organization that connects people to licensed health insurance agents representing top providers like Blue Cross, Blue Shield, Aetna, Cigna, and more. With licensed agents in all 50 states, W.T.A makes it easy for you to earn recurring income, no selling and no license needed. Here's how simple it is. Just have someone fill out a quick online quote request form. That's it. Once they complete the form, our team of agents takes over. They'll work with your referral to find the right policy for their needs, and when they enroll, you get paid every month their policy stays active. If someone is unhappy with their current plan, paying too much, or doesn't have coverage at all, you can help them get a better solution. Here's how simple it is. Commissions are available on health, dental, vision, Medicare supplements, and more. You can earn recurring commissions from per referral each month. So whether you refer 10, 100, or even 1,000 people, those monthly commissions can add up fast and become a real, reliable income stream. And here's the best part. Anyone in W.T.A can do this. No license required. No sales experience. Just share your link, get the form filled out, and let the professionals do the rest. Here's a simple way to start the conversation. If I could show you a way to get major medical health insurance at a group rate and possibly lower your premium by up to 50%, saving you and your family thousands each year, would you be interested? Start building your residual income the easy way with Wealth Transfer Alliance.